Hello everyone. Today we are going to start lesson 2. The name of the lesson is Understanding Windows. In this lesson we will discuss many topics such as about Windows, user interface, desktop and its components, features of Windows 7, basic operations on the desktop. Children, one by one, we will discuss all these topics with you. Now, let's start with the first topic, that is about Windows. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company. Windows is an area inside a frame on a computer screen that has a particular programs operating in it or shows a particular type of informations. Windows is an operating system. Without it, we cannot even start a computer and work on it. Now, children, this way we can understand Windows is an important operating system in our computer system. Now, our next topic is user interface. First, we should know about the meaning of user and interface. User means whoever is using the computer system, and interface means interaction. So, meaning of user interface is by which the user and a computer system interact. In other words, we can say the meaning of user interface is the command through which a user communicates with an external device or a program. We'll see here there are two main types of user interface. First is CLI, second is GUI. Full form of CLI is Command Line Interface. Full form of GUI is Graphical User Interface. Now, let's see first type of user interface. What is CLI? That is Command Line Interface. So, CLI processes commands to a computer program in the form of lines of text. In this type of interface, user is using keyboard to instruct a computer to take the desired actions. Example is DOS. The full form of DOS is Disk Operating System. Now, second type of user interface is GUI, that is Graphical User Interface. It provides pictures oriented way to interact with hardware and software. It includes menu, toolbar, pictures, windows, etc. This way, children, we can understand what is user interface. Means by which the user and a computer system interact. Now, next topic is Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system. Let's see about the features of Windows 7. Windows is attractive. It has colorful pictures and themes. It is easy to use and operate. It has an improved search tools. It allows users to work on many programs at the same time. Many programs at the same time means multitasking. Multi means more than one and task means job or work. So, meaning of multitasking is users can do more than one work together. So, Windows 7 is the very important operating system for the users, and multitasking is an important feature of Windows 7. Now children, we can see if Windows 7 operating system is there in your computer system and you are opening your computer, so you can see your first screen like this. See, this is Windows 7 desktop. If Windows 7 is there in your computer system and you are opening the computer, definitely you will see your first screen like this. And this is first screen. That first screen is called the desktop. And this is the Windows 7 desktop. Now our next topic is desktop and its components. Desktop means when we start the computer, first screen that appears with labeled icons on it is called the desktop. Children, whenever you are starting your computer and whatever first screen you can see on your computer system, that first screen is called the desktop. And on that desktop only small pictures also you can see. That small pictures on the desktop are called icons. And on the desktop only at the bottom you can see one long horizontal bar, that is called the taskbar. We can see long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar, and the right side of the taskbar is known as notification area, which includes a clock and a group of icons that provide status and notifications about updates, network connectivity, incoming emails, battery, volume, etc. Now, next component is Start button. It gives us quick access to documents, Windows applications, Windows help and supports menu and much more. Now, more than these components, we can see some more basic operations on the desktop. Other than all that components, we can see some more basic operations on the desktop. So we can see here first basic operations on the desktop is selecting and deselecting the icons, arranging the desktop icons, sorting the icons, opening a program, changing the desktop background and changing the screensaver. Children, we can see here selecting and deselecting the icons means icons I told you whatever small pictures are there on the screen on the desktop, that is only called the icons. And if you want to select the icon, when you will click on that, it will be selected. And if you want to open any program, just you will double click on that and you can open that program. Arranging the desktop icons. If you want to arrange your desktop icons for your study desk to make it tidy, likewise you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. If you want to arrange it, first you will right click on the blank area, then you will select the view option, then you will click on auto arrange icon option. So you can see the changes in your icons also. And want to open your program, just you can click on the icons and you can open the programs. And changing the desktop background, changing the screensaver also, you can change the desktop background also and you can change the screensaver. One more topic is there, that is sorting the icons. Sorting means arranging the icons in a very proper sequence. So children, this way you can see basic operations which you can do on the desktop. Here one important operation is there, that is changing the desktop background. Let's see how to change the desktop background. Desktop background means desktop, I told you, whenever you will start the computer, first screen what you will see, that is only called the desktop. And on the desktop, one picture you can see on the full screen, that is called the desktop background. So if you want to change that image on the desktop, first you will right click anywhere on the desktop, then you will get one list. You will click on the personalize option from that list. Then you will get one dialog box, that is personalization dialog box. From there only you will click on the desktop background option. When you will click on desktop background option, a new window with multiple images will appear. Now you can select any background as per your choice from the list and click on the Save Changes button. Then you can see the changes in your desktop background. Now children, you can see some gadgets also on the desktop, that is calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, then picture puzzle, slideshow, weather, etc. Now children, what is gadget? What is desktop gadgets? These gadgets are present on the desktop only. Windows contains many programs that is called the gadgets. That I told you, it contains many gadgets like calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, weather, slideshow, etc. This way children, we have completed the lesson. Hope you are able to understand the lesson. In the series of it, you have some homework, or we can say home assignment. So let's see what is your assignment. First question is answer the following. First is define Windows, desktop, taskbar, icons. Children, you have to write the definition of these four. That is Windows, desktop, taskbar and icons. Now question number 2 is define interface and write the main types of interface. What are the main types of interface? You have to write this also. Thank you.